everyone, this is Justin from Honors WP, and today we're going to be looking at the Messaging for LearnDash plugin and the Restrict Chat to Only Teachers and Students function. So this function is used if you only want on your LearnDash courses for teachers and students to communicate and not student-to-student communication. So first, to do that, we're going to go to LearnDash, down to Chat Settings. As you can see, I am the admin of the site, so the instructor of the course will say. Then right here at the top, restrict chats to only students and teachers. We're going to enable that. Down to Save Changes. Alright, so now we're going to log in as a student. So we give students login. Alright, so now this is the site homepage. We'll go to courses, and we're going to test out test course 1 right here. So I'm the student, and I'm looking to chat with the instructor of the course. As you can see, the chat tab is right here. As you see here on the sidebar, there are no other members of the course showing up. So if there are other students in the course, these students will not see each other right here in the sidebar. So let's just send a test message. Alright, there it is. So now let's log back into our administrative account. And here we'll go to the site, go under courses, test course 1. And again, I'm the instructor of this course. So when I look into chat options, as you can see here, because I am the administrator, all groups, any students taking the course show up. So I can see the students, but they can't see each other. So this is the message we just sent. We'll just type test reply right here. Then send that. Now let's log back into our student profile. Go back to the site page. Click on courses, test course 1 again. Then as the student, if I click on chat, you can see right here that the teacher has replied to me, but again, there is no other students that I can communicate with except the teacher itself.